Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's find out if we can download voice messages on Messenger. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Messenger app. Now we need to open some voice message we have been sent. So let's go for this one. So here is the voice message. So here we can see there's no option to download it, and if you click on this here, we need to share to someone else over here, and if we simply press on this, and there is no such option to download. Let's click on more over here, and we get no option to download it. So there is no such option as download in Messenger for voice messages, but what we can do is simply play it and record it in another device. So that is all we can do. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.